Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I have a quick and easy craft for you guys. You guys are either going to need some glass votives or you're going to need these little plastic jars, some of these little bunny treat sacks from Dollar Tree, and some little LED candles. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your little jar or your little glass votive and you're going to stick it down inside of these little canvas bags that Dollar Tree had. I purchased these as soon as spring came about, and I showed them in a haul, so I hope you guys grab some of these because they're super cute. You get 4 in a pack, so you just put it down inside of the little votive down inside of the bag, then put your little LED candle inside lid, and then you're just going to tie the bag with the twine that's available that came with the treat sacks. And then fix the little ears so they look right. And that's it, you guys. It's a simple little easy craft that I thought would look really cute as centerpieces for an Easter dining table. And this is what they look like all lit up. And this is what the little tablescape that I made also. If you guys like this video, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like and share button. And always, thank you for watching.